Buying Apple Music with Apple gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Apple Music with Apple gift card. So first of all, you need to redeem your Apple gift card into your Apple iOS device or your Apple account. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Apple store, which is App Store. In the App Store, you will easily be able to, see these options here. You have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you will be able to see these options. Here you have to tap on redeem gift card or code. After tapping on that option, either you can scan your gift card using the camera, or you can type the code manually. You just have to do that, and your code or your money from the gift card will be added to your Apple account. After that, you simply have to do one thing: is you just have to go to your Apple Music with on the same device, and on the same device you have to go to Apple Music. In the Apple Music, you have to tap on this start. It will take you to some procedures. You will easily be able to buy the subscription for however you want to buy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.